Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sofia.
And my name is Maya. It's a Dominican and Italian day to be a Panther.
Today's sporting news. Our girls beach volleyball team will play Titusville High School at home, and they will begin at 4 p.m.
Our boys varsity baseball team will compete against Palm Bay High today here at home, beginning at 6 p.m.
Good luck, Panthers.
Attention, seniors who have not met the reading or math graduation requirements should register now for the SAT on March 9th and SAT on April 13th ACT.
If you are on free or reduced lunch, see Mr. Meir for ACT waivers. SAT waivers should already be in your College Board account.
The SAT is now digital. That means you can bring your own device. After registering, download the Blue Book app and start exploring. The week before your test, they'll email you a reminder to complete a short exam setup in the app before you can print your admission.
Seniors taking this test, make sure you are using Khan Academy's SAT Prep so you can earn concordance scores.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!